Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F14 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard, for example in Messages, Notes, the browser, whatever app you want to just, it should provide you with a keyboard. So let's do it, let's open the keyboard and then enter the settings, which should be on this panel. Now let's tap on Languages and Types and tap on Manage Input Languages. As you can see, thanks to this, we will be transferred to the list of available languages from which we can choose. As you can see right here, I've got downloaded languages. Usually, your device will open the languages which are suggested by Samsung, but for some reason, as you can see, we've got this full one, so no worries. And it is also divided into two different sections. If you've got the language which is here, all you have to do is to tap on the switcher. If you've got the language which is in available languages, you will have to download it, but no worries, just tap on this icon. So let me pick a language, for example Arabic, as I want to show you the actual difference. So let's tap on the switcher, as I said, and now go back. Here we've got two different languages applied. What's more, we've got an additional option, a language switching method, and we've got two different options, so the spacebar swipe, language key, and both, and I will pick this option in order to show you how both of them work. So now let's go back to the keyboard, and the only difference we can see right now is the globe icon which appeared here. It is our language key, so thanks to this we can change the language. So right now I'm typing English, and after tapping on the globe icon I can switch actually to the Arabic one. And the second method of changing the language, spacebar swipe, and as you can see it also works smoothly. So that was basically how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't want to have two different keyboards or two different languages. You just want to change and apply different language. So all you have to do in order to do that is to enter the settings, tap on the languages, and we again have to enter the Manage Input Languages. And right now basically all we have to do is to turn off the language which we want to remove, so in my case Arabic, and basically it works like this. So we do not have the language key, we've got only English applied. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Samsung Galaxy F14. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.